It's time for another Sunday shout out and mail call episode. Hey everybody, it's Rob with RobFindsTreasure, and we've got another Sunday shout out and mail call episode. 8 packages from 8 generous subscribers. Can't believe it's already been, I think, our 30th week since we started this. Crazy how fast time flies. That being said, I've got everyone's packages ready to go. So we're going to kick this one off with an opening from a live stream I jumped on. Silver Seeker at coolstacks.com. Silver Seeker writes, I can't thank you enough for being there to support my stream. I hope that you enjoy the items that I've enclosed, and I genuinely hope to see you on future streams as well. Thanks again, Silver Seeker. So he gave me a little bit of a collection of his stickers. He's got Quadas. He's got Seeker and the Beast singing live, the #1 single, The Edges, and Team Seeker and Ravenous. Check out what I won from his live stream. A 1922 PCGS graded MS63 Peace Dollar. You can't get mad at that. We'll add this bad boy to the collection and be happy to have it. With everyone's packages, if they have a channel, I'll be putting it down below. We do know that Silver Seeker has one, so I'll put the link to his channel down below, guys. He does live streams every Wednesday and Saturday, so be sure to check him out. It's always a fun time, a good time, and sometimes you score some good ones. All right, up next, we'll go ahead and get to Larry Priest with Mobile Coins. I'm willing to bet we got ourselves another star note. Larry at Mobile Coins writes, Dear Rob, how are you, my friend? How was Thanksgiving? Larry, I'm doing well. Thanksgiving was awesome this year. We had a small family gathering of my immediate family and a few friends, and it was a great time. I wanted to personally thank you for your donation during my live stream, and it was very cool of you to then donate the items to random people in the chat. Take care, my friend, and please give George a good home. Larry the Legend. So yeah, I jumped in Larry's live stream, and I wanted to go ahead and be giving since all of you have been so giving to me, and I did a donation, and I made sure that the items that I won were given out to random people in the chat. I'm happy to have done that. It always feels good to give and receive, of course, but definitely to give. Looks like we got another star note. It's kind of a beat up one, but Larry the Legend knows I have a star note retirement center waiting just for this guy. He won't be lonely anymore. Thanks again, Larry the Legend. You guys check out his channel, Growing Like a Weed. All right, next up, we got a package from Zachary. Zachary writes, I just recently started watching your videos and they have taught me a lot. I've included a couple of coins. Thanks for the good videos. P.S. I'm new to coin collecting. That is so awesome of you, Zachary. Thank you for taking time to send me some coins. Glad you're in the hobby. I hope you find some good stuff, and you can show us maybe on a video down the road, or shoot me a letter and let me know what you found, some of your best finds. Look what Zachary sent us. He sent us a beautiful 1917 Wheatie, a 43 Philadelphia Steel Cent, a 44 Philadelphia Wheat Penny, a 1951 D Wheatie, a 1954 Philadelphia Wheat Cent, and a 1950 Denver Wheat Penny. I want to look at this 17 since it's the oldest of the bunch. That's in pretty good shape. We love those teens Wheaties. That's very generous of you to share with me. And I only have about 15 Steel Cents, so it's always nice to get those as well. I will take it in good shape. Zachary, thank you for the letter. Thank you for the kind words. I really appreciate it. Happy hunting, my friend, and welcome to the hobby. Next up, we've got a package from Route 66 Goldhound. Route 66 Goldhound writes, Hi Rob, I would like to take a moment and tell you how much I enjoy your videos and live streams. I look forward to relaxing after work and watching you search for coins. You, Paul and Snacks, $50 make you holler, have got me interested in coin roll hunting. I have done pretty good since I started. I have enclosed some coins for you. Gold tone dimes. I got a box from the bank, and when I opened it, I saw that they were brand new. I was going to just redeposit them, but some of the ends looked strange. I decided to hunt them and found a little over a roll of tone dimes out of the box. I have enclosed some for you Just an interesting oddity. Worn nickel. I've been finding random coins lately that are worn like this one. Have you been finding similar ones? He also included a nice 63p. Just a nice looking coin in case you need one. A Balboa Panama coin. And he found that in his dime rolls. Again, thank you for the great videos and live streams. Keep it up and may success find you. John, Route 66, Gold Hound. So here's the goodies John sent us. Beautiful 1961 and 63 nickels. These might upgrade in my book. Holy cow, they're magnificent. Wow. I will definitely check those against the book. Here's that worn nickel you're talking about. Yeah, I've been finding a lot of these lately too. Crazy. Someone's got a thing for sanding down some nickels, I guess, out there. Love the Balboa dime. I found one of these in one of my earlier hunts. It was an ender. First time I'd ever seen this Balboa dime in a box. It was one of my favorite finds of that hunt. And I absolutely love these. I think I have another one. So this is my third for my collection. Thank you, John, very much. And then, of course, beautiful, kind of lightly toned, satin finished dimes here. Absolutely stunning. Yeah, I like the way they look as well. Look at that little bit of yellow gleam to them. Route 66 Goldhound man, thanks for the kind words. Thanks for the package. Thanks for the Balboa. And I'm sure one of these will upgrade in my nickel album for sure. Sweet, sweet stuff, my friend. And I'll put a link to your channel down below. Next up, we got a package from Brandon Hilder. Check it out, guys. A couple of 1968, I believe. Yep. Topps cards. A couple of good players here. Don Cardwell and Mike McCormick. Gotta love it. Brandon writes, "Hi Rob, this is Brandon Hilder. On a live stream I asked if you would like a 68 Topps card. In return, I would love a sticker, but if not, that's okay. Sincerely, Brandon Hilder." Well, Brandon, I've already got a sticker reserved for you. Definitely. Boom. We'll get you a sticker. Appreciate the Topps cards. And he said, "Please check out my channel, The Hilder's Crazy House. Please shout it out. We're on the road to 50 subs. We can get them there, guys. I'll have it linked down below." Brandon, thanks for the 68 Topps cards. I love baseball cards as well. And hopefully you enjoy getting my sticker. Next up is a package from Leland. And guys, check out that sticker on the back. We're on the road to the YouTube button. Let's see what's inside. Leland writes, "Hey Rob, just started watching your channel 2 months ago. I love watching your videos and live streams in the workshop. I was watching your live stream on Friday and saw your new bars. I like the stamp and thought you might like it cut out in vinyl for your car, or it can go anywhere. You have made me start looking at my coins and bills before I pay for stuff. My wife watched her first penny video last week and she ran and grabbed her penny bank to start searching as we watched you. Please keep it up. Leland Glasscock, Red Griffin Workshop, boom on Instagram." Bam, guys. He gave me some business cards, so I'm assuming it's okay to show them. He does CNC engraving, 3D printing, and woodworking. And check out these vinyl stickers he made for me. Wow. We've got 3 gold ones. These are beauties. And a couple of silver ones as well. And you know what? My vehicle is silver looking, so I might stick the silver one on the back of my car. Love it. Matter of fact, I will be doing that. Leland, these are awesome vinyl cutout stickers. I really appreciate it. I'll have a few spots I can throw these on for sure. Maybe I convince my kids and wife to throw them on their cars. Probably not, but either way, love it. And guys, Leland has an Instagram. I'll make sure I link it in the video description below for his workshop. Great work, Leland. Man, that is a truly awesome gift for me. I really appreciate that. Maybe I'll catch a video down the road, literally down the road, of one of the vinyl cutouts on my car. Next, we have a package from Treasure Trolls. Treasure Trolls IDetect Michigan writes, "Dear Rob RFT, first and foremost, I'd like to apologize to you and the winner of the giveaway. I got called to work out of town and forgot to pack a lot of things." So just as a reminder, everyone, on one of my live streams, I said if I hit 300 likes, we would do a special end of stream giveaway. And several people had sent in stuff to help to make that giveaway even more special. Treasure Trolls offered up some silver dimes. but he had a little bit of a delay in getting them to me. No worries, Treasure Trolls IDetect Michigan. I covered that package just about a week ago. I just wanted to make sure the winner got the coins. So I'll be keeping these for myself this time. I did give him a couple of really nice Mercury dimes as well. So no worries, brother. I knew you were good for your word. Second, here are the 2 dimes promised. Like I said, 2 silver, a rosy, and a Merc. With this, I've sent a few extras for your collection. Feel free to leave my info open for anyone who would like to communicate with me. Again, I'm sorry for the delay. Happy hunting and good luck, Chris and Mike at Treasure Trolls IDetect Michigan. Guys, be sure to check out his channel. He does great metal detecting videos. I'm a subscriber. I'll leave a link down below of his channel that you guys can be sure to check out. Here's the 2 dimes he sent. A 44 Mercury dime and a 1952 Denver rosy dime. Again, I've sent the package out, so I'll be keeping those for me. He also included a couple of $2 Canadian coins. Beautiful. Also some Canadian quarters. Can't get mad at that. We got 4 of them there. He also sent 4 bicentennial quarters and a 1979 Susan B. Anthony narrow rim dollar coin, which is awesome. We also have, ooh, look at this. Beautiful. Man, an Australian 1982. Wow. I don't think I have this coin, to tell you the truth. I may have one. I'll have to check my foreign collection. So that's a good addition. And then a beautiful token, kindness currency. Thank you for being so kind today. You've brightened my world in a special way. Pass it on. Pass this coin to someone who is especially kind to you. Man, we'll have to do that for sure. Great package. Treasure Trolls IDetect Michigan. I don't mind you being late. Things happen. Life happens for all of us. You got the dimes to me. Sam got his dimes. Everyone's happy. And I got lots of extras. Holy cow. Thanks again, brother. The final package is from VcCoins, Nevada. Let's take a look inside. VcCoins Nevada writes, "Hi Rob, hope you had a great holiday." I did, good sir. Enclosed is a special copper piece I made for you. I hope you like it, good sir. I also enclosed a few extras for you or your giveaways. You can keep it or give away, your choice, buddy. Thanks for your channel, your friend, VcCoins Nevada, Ben. First and foremost, check out VcCoins Nevada's channel. The link will be down below. He does awesome copper pours, and I'll show you that one in a second. First one we got here is a PCGS graded Proof 69 red DCAM Proof Penny 1985S. Wow, that is beautiful. That'll be hard to give away, but I probably will because I know everyone likes good slabbage. A couple of other goodies he sent me was a 2013 $1 star note, almost a trinary, good serial number, love it. And then a $5 star note. Look at that one, 04646665. Beautiful star note with the ML in front. Love star notes, and it'll go right in my collection. But check out this copper pour from VcCoins Nevada. Holy beautiful cow. I'm a Bucks fan too, so it's kind of like the Bucks. I think it's called the Jolly Rogers Pirate, if I recall. But either way, this thing is awesome looking. Oh yeah. I love these pours like this. Man, that is stunning. If you guys want to get some of those or check out his channel how he pours them, be sure to do that. That's a beautiful copper piece right there. And it's mine. Haha. Arr! Just kidding. I'll quit being foolish. Either way, man, what a great Sunday shout out and mail call. You guys never cease to amaze me. Just when I think I'm not going to get something, we end up getting something. Unbelievable. Hopefully you all enjoyed this Sunday shout out and mail call episode. If you did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting. And thanks for watching.